Hello, I'm John Russell. Have you ever wondered about the difference between books and cars? I'm not talking about the objects themselves. Instead, I'm talking about how the endings of the words are pronounced. They are both plural nouns with an S at the end, but the endings sound different. Books. Cars. Books has a S sound at the end, while cars has a Z sound at the end. Why is that? In American English, we pronounce the letter S in two ways, as S and as Z. How can you tell when? One helpful thing to think about is voicing. If your vocal cords move, we say a consonant is voiced. If your vocal cords do not move, we say it is voiceless. When the letter S follows a voiceless consonant, it is often pronounced as S. Let's think back to the word books. The word book ends in a K sound. It is a voiceless sound. When it is plural, the letter S is pronounced as a S, another voiceless sound. Books. Books. You can think of the idea like this. Voiceless sounds go with voiceless sounds. Many common words follow this pattern, including verbs. Think about this statement. He eats a lot. The verb eat ends in a T sound, a voiceless sound. So the S at the end of the verb sounds like a S. So, why does the word cars have a Z sound at the end? The answer comes down to voicing, the movement of the vocal cords. When your vocal cords move, we say a sound is voiced. Often, Americans use Z, a voiced sound, after other voiced consonants and vowels. Think about the word car. It ends in a R sound, which is voiced. R. Therefore, we pronounce the S in the plural noun form as Z. Cars. Let's think about some other common nouns. Bed. D is a voiced sound. Therefore, when it becomes plural, the S is pronounced as Z. Beds. Beds. Voiced sounds often go with the voiced ending Z. Voiceless sounds often go with the voiceless ending S. Now, there are some exceptions, and a couple other situations in which Americans don't always follow these patterns. But just remembering the basic idea will take you far. That's all for today. Keep up the good work.